Good morning, Standard 3. I am Bolu Gupta, your maths teacher. Now children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. So children, I am going to start today's English reader. The chapter is The Ostrich and the Hedgehog. So let us start today's new chapter. Come, let us start. So my dear children, so here all of you look at the today's story. Story is the ostrich and the hedgehog. So see, this is the picture of ostrich. All of you look here. So this is the ostrich. This is ostrich. So this is ostrich. Okay, and ostrich, it is found in South Africa, and all of you see the picture of ostrich. See, it has long legs. The ostrich is having long legs, and the smaller this animal, it is hedgehog. Its legs are very short and thin, and this ostrich's legs are very long, and it is very powerful. And then do you know that it is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich is the largest bird in the world, and the egg of the ostrich is the biggest egg. So hey children, let us come. I will now tell you today the story of the ostrich and the hedgehog. So ostrich was very proudy. The ostrich was very proudy. So one beautiful morning in the summer, the hedgehog went for a walk across a barley field. So all of you know that barley means barley field. It is a jaw. There were rows of tall barley plants in the field. So one beautiful morning in the summer, the hedgehog went for a walk across a barley field. एक दिन सुबह मॉर्निंग समर मीन्स गर्मी के दिन में सुबह ब्यूटीफुल खूबसूरत सुबह द hedgehog वेंट फॉर अ वॉक अक्रॉस अ बार्ली फील्ड. hedgehog जो था वो बार्ली के खेत में वो टहलने गया. देयर वेयर रोज ऑफ टॉल बार्ली. रोज मीन्स लाइन्स. Rows means there were rows of tall barley. This is the rows. This is the rows. Rows of tall barley. So rows means the things arranged in a straight line. That is पंक्तियाँ. So rows of tall barley plants in the field. वहाँ पे बार्ली के जो पेड़ थे वो लंबे लंबे उसकी पंक्तियाँ थी. At the edge. What is the meaning of edge? Edge of the field. Edge means किनारा. Edge means kinara. It means that outside limit of an object. So at the edge of the field means khet. Field means khet. So खेत के किनारे माने किनारे पे कॉर्नर पे he met an ostrich. उसने वो किससे मिला? एक ostrich से मिला. Now good morning, he said to the ostrich in a cheerful voice. Cheerful means खुशी खुशी, very happily. उसने ऑस्ट्रिच को ग्रीट किया, गुड मॉर्निंग. बट ऑस्ट्रिच लुक डाउन एट हिम. ऑस्ट्रिच उसके तरफ नीचे मुड़ के देखा. इट मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी प्राउडी एंड सेड, आई डोंट टॉक टू स्टम्पी लेग. स्टम्पी मीन्स शॉर्ट एंड थिक लेग्ड क्रिएचर. क्रिएचर मीन्स द लिविंग थिंग्स. जीव, प्राणी. मैं तुम्हारे ऐसे छोटे मोटे पैर वाले प्राणी से मैं बात नहीं करता. My legs may be stumpy. Stumpy means मैंने फिर से कहा, I told you thick and small. Thick and small. मेरे पैर छोटे और मोटे हो सकते हैं, but I can run faster than any other animal. मैं और किसी एनिमल से ज़्यादा, faster means बहुत तेज, दौड़ सकता हूँ. Said the hedgehog. No one can run faster than I can. कोई भी मेरी तरह से तेज नहीं दौड़ सकता. Don't you see? क्या तुम्हें नहीं देखते मेरे पैर कितने लंबे हैं? Said the ostrich. Why don't we have a race? तब hedgehog कहता है, said the hedgehog, क्यों नहीं हम अपने आपस में एक रेस मीन्स प्रतियोगिता. competition. Okay, so he said, why don't we have a race? हम क्यों नहीं रेस रखते? Then we will see who is the runner, faster runner, you or I. तब हम लोग देखेंगे. We will see that who is the faster. कौन तेज दौड़ता है, you or I, तुम या मैं. Agreed. He agreed. Said the ostrich, shall we start? क्या हम शुरू करें? But the hedgehog said, लेकिन उसने कहा, let me go home. मुझे घर जाना है. And take my breakfast. I can't run on an empty stomach. मुझे घर जाना है, मैं खाली पेट नहीं दौड़ सकता. खाली पेट. Empty में खाली, vacant. Empty means खाली, vacant. Stomach. Stomach means पेट. Shall we have the race at the midday? Midday means noon. midday means noon. क्या हम लोग midday noon में रख सकते हैं, दोपहर को रेस रख सकते हैं? Sure, निश्चय, of course. Sure means of course. Said the ostrich. Ostrich ने कहा. The ostrich went home and went to sleep. Ostrich घर गया और सो गया. The hedgehog went home and brought his mother and father, brothers, sisters, cousins, even aunts and uncle to the barley field. वो hedgehog अपने घर गया. He went home and brought means लाया. His mother, उसकी माँ, अपनी माँ, पापा, brothers, भाई बहन, cousins, even aunts और uncle को भी barley field पे लेके आया. He made them to take their position. उनको इस तरह से खड़ा किया. In such a way that there was a hedgehog at both the end of each row of the barley plants. उसने अपने सभी फैमिली मेंबर्स को ऐसी जगह पे खड़ा किया. पोजीशन मीन्स प्लेस. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पोजीशन? इट इज प्लेस. इन सच अ वे, ऐसी जगह पे खड़ा किया कि देयर वाज अ हेजहॉग. एक हेजहॉग था एट बोथ एंड, दोनों किनारे, ऑफ ईच रो ऑफ द बार्ली प्लांट. बार्ली प्लांट के हर एक लाइन का अंत में और पहले में, शुरुआत में एक हेजहॉग खड़ा था. एट द मिड डे द hedgehog एंड द ostrich met at the barley field. मिड डे मीन्स दोपहर को, नून. At noon the hedgehog और ostrich they met at the barley field and race started. रेस शुरू हो गया. The ostrich began at first row. ostrich ने शुरू किया पहले रो से, पहला लाइन से. He took long strides. Long strides means लंबे लंबे पैर के कदम. And soon, because his legs are very long, he soon reached the end of the row. और जल्दी ही वो उस लाइन के अंत पे पहुंचा. He was surprised. Surprise means वो बहुत आश्चर्यचकित था. Why he was surprised? To see a hedgehog already there. वहाँ पे वो पहले से ही hedgehog वहाँ पे खड़ा देखा. Waiting for him. उसके लिए इंतजार कर रहा था. So you have reached, said the hedgehog to the ostrich. तो hedgehog ने उससे कहा, अरे तुम अभी पहुंचे हो. ये देखो, जैसे वो as soon as he reached at the end point of this row of this barley field, a hedgehog was already he was waiting for him. So he was very surprised. This ostrich was so surprised. Surprised means आश्चर्यचकित. He was very surprised. So meaning of the surprised is he was very showing the surprise. आश्चर्यचकित हो गया. And if that he did not reply. Reply means he did not give answer. कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. He ran back along the next field. फिर वो ये वाले लाइन से चलना शुरू किया, दौड़ना शुरू किया. And then when he reached the end, he found a hedgehog waiting for him. फिर वो अगले एंड पे यहाँ पे आया. यहाँ भी वो उसे hedgehog दिखाई दिया. इधर भी हर एंड पे उसे hedgehog दिखाई दिया. At both end he saw that a hedgehog is waiting for him. The ostrich couldn't tell the difference between one hedgehog and another. और ostrich जो था वो difference means अंतर, वो नहीं differentiate कर पाया एक hedgehog और दूसरे hedgehog के बीच. And believed that he had been beaten. और वो मान लिया कि वो हार गया है. This happened several times. और ये बहुत बार हुआ. Several means many times. It happens many times. हर बार, बहुत बार. When he reached the end of the last row, last में अंतिम रो, he found a hedgehog sitting there also. जब वो लास्ट रो में पहुंचा तो he found a hedgehog वहाँ पे बैठा हुआ था. And hedgehog was fresh and smiling. hedgehog जो था वो एकदम फ्रेश था, ताजा था. He was happy and smiling. वो मुस्कुरा रहा था. तो ostrich could not understand. उसे समझ ही नहीं आया. Understand मैंने नहीं समझना. how he had been beaten by the stumpy little hedgehog. कैसे वो ये छोटा सा मोटे पैर वाला स्टम्पी मोटा चौड़ा पैर वाला hedgehog से वो कैसे हार गया. He went away on his tired, वो बहुत ही थका हुआ और सोर, बहुत ही घायल पैर, एंड बरीड, वो अपने पैर उसके बहुत ही दर्द हो गए थे, पेनफुल हो गए थे, उसमें घाव हो गए थे. अपने थके दर्द भरे पैर के साथ वो चला गया. एंड बरीड मीन्स गाड़ना. उसने बरीड कर लिया अपने सिर को, हिज हेड डीप इन द सैंड, और सैंड के अंदर अपने सिर को, अपने हेड को बरीड कर लिया, माने गाड़ लिया. That is to put something in a hole in the ground and cover it. So dear little children, this is how you have seen that this big animal, that this ostrich, he was beaten by this little animal, hedgehog. So we should not proud of ourselves, and we should not neglect others. Everybody is important. Everybody has importance in this earth. Everybody has values. Everybody is valuable. So my dear children, so this is the story. So we should not look down upon others. We should not neglect others. Now my dear little children, so let us start on the basis of your reading of the story. Let us start this D.3. So I will give you the PDF of all these question answers. Okay children, so now let us start this one. So now dear children, let us start today's word meaning. So here all of you see rows, ROWS, rows. Rows means things arranged in a straight line. Pankti, rows means pankti. Now next come to edge, EDGE, edge. Edge, it means outside limit of an object, that is kinara. Okay. Now next is cheerful, CHEERFUL, cheerful. Cheerful means feeling happy, khush. Now next come to stumpy. Stumpy legged. It is short and thick leg, छोटा और मोटा. Next come to creature, 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 a living things, jeev. Position, POSITION, position means the place, jagah. Now next is strides, 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 long step, lamba kadam. Now number 8, surprised, 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 surprise. It means showing surprise, आश्चर्यचकित. Now reply, REPLY, reply. Reply means to say as an answer, jawab. Next is understand, UNDERSTAND, understand. Understand means to know or to realize the matter. To know and to realize the matter. Realize the meaning. That is samajhna. Next is sore pain. SORE, sore. It is pain, ghav. Buried, BURIED, buried. To put something in a hole in the ground and cover it, gardna. Believed, BELIEVED, believed means to feel sure, sahi manna. Fresh means produced recently, taza. Difference means dissimilarity, it means antar. So these are the word meanings. Okay children, so you have to learn these word meanings, right? Now next come to next worksheet, that is here all of you see page number 21, D.3. So here all of you see that on this basis of your reading of the story, complete the following statement. So one beautiful morning a hedgehog met an ostrich. So children, this is the PDF of D.3, D.5 and see it is D.6 5 it is d point 6, then it is d point 7, and then this is d point 8. Okay, so you have to write all these in the notebook. Okay children, so this is your assignment. Right now, so children, I hope you have understood this story. So you read the story 5 times. 5 times read the story and then write down the word meaning that I will send you in this in the WhatsApp. The PDF you will get of word meanings and all the worksheet that is from D point 3, D point 4. You have to do it. You have to find out from the book. So D point 3, D point 5, D point 6 and D point 7 and D point 8. I am giving you the PDF of all these questions. So C work is you have to write word meaning D point 3, D point 4, D point 5 and homework is D point 6, D point 7 and D point 8. So children, till then, goodbye, Shabba Khair, Sayonara, bye bye.